Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have a fun Happy Mail package from Paper House Productions. They recently had a big week-long sale on all kinds of things, and so I definitely took advantage, and I really went for the Life Organized line. So I want to share with you what I got, but first I want to remind you that I am a Paper House Productions creative team member, and so they give me a discount code. I will put it right here and then again at the end of the video, and you can use that discount code on top of most sales, so you save an extra percentage off even of sale prices. And so you guys, a lot of this I got for like $1 or less. It was a really great deal, and I'm super excited. So let me get it out of here and then I will show you what I got. All right, you guys, my sticker loving, planner loving heart is flipping out because these are so adorable. So I got some puffy clips and some of these epoxy clips. The idea with these is I thought I could use them in my planner. I thought they would be super cute, like sticking up over the top or maybe in the front folio section. So these cute little cupcakes that have this like kawaii image I thought was so adorable. So picked up those. How perfect for summer. Citrus is super in style right now, so I'll definitely be using that lemon soon. Love these little sweet faces. Guys, these are just little pops of joy. I know that it's, you know, a little bit immature, but I love it. And I love having these in my planner, and I can't wait to give them a try. And then look how fun these are. I just thought those were so beautiful. So I'm excited to have those to kind of begin some of my paper clip collection for my planner. And then I picked up these magnetic bookmarks because I actually received a set of magnetic bookmarks kind of as a bonus in one of my orders, and I fell in love with them. So I picked up some more because I'm using them all over the place. These are from the Stargazer line, I think. Stars can't shine without darkness, shine bright. So stinking adorable. And of course, you know that I love the purple. So cute. And then the butterflies, so sweet. Loving that they're two-sided, super cute. And my kiddos are going to flip. They're going to love these as well. We're gonna have to like dole them out. Totally amazing. Llama love. Super fun for your planner. So again, I thought I would use these in my planner just as regular bookmarks and my devotionals. I just think they're fun. I think they're very cute and fun. Okay. Then I got a bunch of stickers, like a bunch. And I'm going to show you all of the stickers I got. And as you're watching, I need your tips on sticker books. So I have a growing collection of stickers. I want them in an easy to grab book, especially for planning purposes. So if you have any ideas for sticker books, let me know below. Let me know what you like to use, how you like to use your planner stickers specifically, especially the ones that aren't already in books. Okay, like I said before, all from the Life Organized line. I have been using the Paper House Productions stickers, especially in my daily planning pages and also in my self-care planner, which I think is super fun and I'm really enjoying it. I will definitely do a process video on my self-care planner once I get a little bit more into it, but let me show you these stickers. So this one is about working out, thought about exercising, almost went to the gym, got out of bed today. These are like your adulting rewards. I skipped dessert. Does running late count? Killed my goals. Didn't hit snooze. That would be a good one for me. I do that almost every day. I didn't order pizza. Yes. Love those. Those will be so fun to just stick on little pages as I'm going back over my self-care. We have this one. This is like the mom life one. The kids are still alive. Folded the laundry. I didn't yell. Washed the dishes. Paid bills on time. Mom life. I cooked dinner. I need a nap. Yes. But first coffee. Always. Made it through. Cleaned the fridge. Took a shower. Didn't order takeout. I compare that one with I didn't order pizza. Did all the things. I shaved today. Didn't binge watch. So cute. And then I got these two little sets of labels. These are perfect for my self-care planner because I actually use a teacher planner and block out some of the lettering that's already in there. So I love these florals. So pretty for the summer. And then these are just wonderful habit trackers. Great for just sticking in your planner, maybe even in the front of a devotional, something like that, where you are just keeping track of a habit. I love that. And you guys know me and that I love my little task ribbons. So these are fantastic. And then I also like putting them to the side because I can use them as a habit tracker as well, like cups of water in a day, things like that, or times I exercise, like a goal of 5 times a week, not usually 7 for me because that would be a little unrealistic, but you can always turn them to the side and use them like that. So those are the first set of stickers I got. And then there's more. Okay, like I said, everything was on super sale and I just kind of went for it. So these are the workout ones. I thought they would be really good for my wellness planner, the self-care planner. So because I do kind of track my exercise, I probably won't be using the scale as much, but I will use the different workout things. And then this one is like a self-care one. So on the front would be more bold colors. On the back, you have a more pastel look, but I do kind of track my self-care. So this one will come in super handy as well. Here is the chore one, and I think that that one pairs well with this one. This is like the errands, your shopping list, grocery shopping, just to mark it in your planner. And again, a little bit more pastel on the back. And then your kind of weekly chores of taking out the trash and the recycling, dusting, vacuuming. I would use this one probably for bathrooms, something like that. So cute. And how sweet are these little weather icons? This would be so easy to just add in on a page, just like maybe on your monthly layout, just kind of tracking the weather, what's going on. I am using these numbers for my one of my planners that is undated. This makes it really easy to do the monthly layouts and just put the dates in. Love that. And then right here, these are going to come in really handy because like I said, I'm kind of Franken planning my wellness planner where I'm like blocking out stuff and adding in new dates. And so these I will use up probably pretty fast. So I maybe should have ordered 2 of these, but that's okay. So a ton of these stickers, but wait, there's even more. Okay, so these are some of the themed layout for planning, like your weekly planning pages. And again, like I said, I'm using these a lot actually on my daily planner pages. So I picked up this one, Halloween, obviously not anytime soon, but I thought it would be fun to save for that time of year. So cute. I love it. That one's really cute. And then here is the kawaii one, so sweet for summer. Look at how cute. I love that it's like hollow in the background, holographic. Out of this world, perfect. So sweet. Just great for adding lists and things. I have been enjoying my daily planning. I didn't think I would want to do that, but it does help me reflect the night before or kind of look ahead for what's coming up. I find it really relaxing. Oh, I love the dream catchers. Oh, this one, that design, so adorable. Look at all of these, all kinds of checklists, get it done, follow your dreams. Love those. So a few of the little weekly sets, they have all kinds. A lot of them I already had, or else I probably would have picked up more, but make sure to check those out. And then I have some more. So these are back in your kind of functional category. Again, perfect for my wellness planner. I am tracking water. I am working on that. Look at this, is a little, I wonder what that is for. It goes 1 through 12 and 1 through 12. Maybe that's tracking hours of the day, like when you are drinking water, maybe your schedule, something like that. Maybe taking medicine, that would probably be good. Oh, look at those trackers. These are some crazy trackers in here, you guys. You could track all kinds of stuff. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, so this one is like hydration tracker on steroids. I love it. Here we have a monthly one. Okay, Monday, let's do this. I love that. I love the numbers. Again, all of that comes in really handy when I am Franken planning and kind of working with my planners and redoing them. That's cute. Oh, they have all these day phrases. Saturday, you're my favorite. I wish every day was Saturday. It's true. Hey, hey, Sunday. That is cute. Those are great. And the numbers are wonderful. This one has all of the months in it with different, it's on clear sticker paper. Love that, in different fonts. Oh, I like these small ones too. That is super helpful. I love it, especially if you are into undated planners. Something like this makes your life much easier. Let's see. This one says Be the Spark. I'm not sure. I think this is just one of the accessory sets. These are cardstock stickers. Just good for your planner. I think they're just fun colors in here. Today's plan. All right, so this one is kind of a real functional one. You have the dentist, coffee, mailing things, make it happen, a few decorative stickers. That one's pretty cute. And then if you guys have been watching, you know that my kiddos are like in all of the sports right now. So I picked up both sports packs. I wanted all of the soccer stickers as possible because we're doing a lot of soccer, a lot of baseball these days. So I knew that these would come in super handy. I love the colors. And plus, we are a big sports family, so we absolutely love watching sports as well. And with the Olympics coming up, I can see some sports theme spreads coming my way. Look at that, how cute. Bring snacks, that's super helpful. All right, I love, love, love those. And last but not least, a couple of tags. So these are like cardstock paper stickers. You can write on them. They're a little bit glossy, so just be careful which pen you choose. But these are great for adding places to write on your spread. So just these kind of tags, these sticker tags, they're all the same. Really great for especially my daily spreads. I'm going to love that. And then I bought this one as well. All of these different labels. So cute. All right, so you can see it was a big sticker haul. Thank you, Paper House Productions, for having an awesome sale and for offering an extra discount for all of my awesome subscribers. Make sure you check out that discount and use it on top of sales because you can just save a whole lot. And you guys, I do have an affiliate link for Paper House Productions, so make sure to check that out. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it does kind of go to support this channel. So I'm always appreciative when you're able to shop that. I will link it below, and it's also available on my website, ScrappyWife.com. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Let me know below if you have ideas on sticker books or what were your favorite stickers that you saw in this unboxing. A huge shout out to my YouTube members. Thank you so much for your support. If you are interested in finding out about how to become a Scrappy YouTube member and what kind of perks you receive, then make sure to click the join button. I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.